A fairly common error message you'll get with your Brother printer will be the no paper fed. This can be caused after a paper jam, so make sure you've cleared any scrap materials that may be still left in the printer after a jam. And if you still get this error message, you may need to clean the pickup rollers. So you'll get the no paper fed error, which will stop you from being able to print altogether. And after you keep trying, you may get the repetitive no paper fed error and to clean the pickup rollers for the tray. So I'm going to show you here how to do that. So pull out the paper tray and make sure you turn off the machine and unplug it at the back. And now we're going to turn the printer onto its side so that you can access underneath and clean those pickup rollers with a damp lint-free cloth and then wipe it over with a dry one. Make sure you check for any ink stains as well, and if you do see any ink stain, just clean that with an alcohol swab. Okay, once you've cleaned all of those, turn the machine around so that you can access the back and open up the paper feed door and pull down the flap there to access the paper feed rollers at the back. Clean those over in the same way, and hopefully this will be all you'll need to do. So plug the machine back in, turn it on and do a test print. Most of the time the paper feed error will just be caused by dirty pickup rollers, and this should have fixed this for you. If this hasn't fixed your error, you may need to check to see if there's anything else that could be wrong with the paper feed system. So I'll show you here how to do that. I do have another video on dismantling the printer, so do check that out. I'm just doing a flash through of that actual video here, so watch the video for a proper rundown and to walk through it at a normal pace. Now once you can see the rollers, just clean those down in the same way. And the encoder disc is that transparent disc on the left hand side, the far left. Make sure you check that over if there's any ink stains on that. If there is, clean that with an alcohol wipe as well. And rotate it around and just check its mechanism. Make sure everything's working as it should. You should see the rollers moving the encoder disc, and then the encoder disc should be moving that lever that's circled. That's the paper feed home positioning lever. It should spring back into position. With this machine, it wasn't springing back into its position and it couldn't be fixed into its correct place. So I've actually cut some sponge as a quick fix and I've pushed that down the side and I've just checked that and it does work. You can also use felt. So turn the encoder disc again and just check that it is actually pushing the lever and springing it back into place every time it does a full rotation. Then reassemble the printer. Again, this is footage from my other video, so just check that one out if you need to walk through that at a better pace as well. Once you've done that, plug the printer back in, turn it on and print out a test page. For me, that worked and it was a quick and free fix. Check out my other videos as well.